Let's dig a little deeper on how solar panels actually work. Solar panels contain photovoltaic cells, PV for short, which are able to transform sunlight into usable energy in the home. Each solar panel is composed of a specific number of photovoltaic cells, which, when operating optimally, can produce a few watts of energy each. The energy produced by the cells is passed through an inverter, which converts it from direct current, DC, to alternating current, AC, so that it can be used in your home. Solar energy functions just like power from the grid when it enters your home. By generating this power on your roof, it is delivered in the most efficient and cost-effective way, making it both affordable and reliable. Axia is powered by Qcells, and we exclusively use their panels in our installations. Qcells panels are the most trusted and widely used in the industry. Plus, they're assembled right here in the United States. By choosing Axia for your solar needs, you can be confident that you're getting world-class cutting-edge equipment for your home.